Hi, welcome to Spice It Up. Today we're going to make a very dry spinach. This has got simple ingredients, which is your red chilies, they're dried, and we're going to put garlic and ginger and a few cumin seeds, added to that a little salt. So let's get cooking. So you're going to need about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to put in the cumin seeds. So we just need 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Just give that a little stir. And now we're going to add in garlic and ginger. Now we can add in the spinach. We're going to add in the red chili. And this is when you might just need a little bit more oil so that you can fry the chili. You can add the chili in at the time of the garlic and ginger. Sometimes I do it afterwards so that it doesn't burn. Add in a little bit of water, probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then just stir it in. I'm not going to add in the salt yet. I'll put that in near the end. The nice thing about this spinach is that you can actually have it with any kind of meal. So as you can see, that's 500 grams of spinach. Reduced down to this much. Probably enough there for 3 people. So we're just going to add in the salt. So that's nearly ready. Now we can serve. So our spinach is ready. We're going to give it a try. I decided in the end to have some roti with it rather than rice. I've also put some yogurt on the side, so in case it's a little hot, you can just add in a few of the red chilies that I suggested earlier. If it's not too hot, then you can keep it as it is. It's nice. Lovely. Actually, I could eat all this. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you on our next video.